My name is Isabel Pérez Otaño, and I coordinate the Synapse Modulation of Neural Circuits and Behavior program at the Institute of Neuroscience. In many ways, understanding the brain is at or even beyond the frontier of human knowledge. As biologists, we think of the brain as an organ, like lungs or hearts. But there is a key difference. Other organs have hardwired functions that are easy to understand, such as pumping blood or absorbing oxygen. Brains, on the other hand, are deeply mysterious. They embody our personalities, our emotions, love, jealousy, rage. In short, our brains are us. Very little of this is hardwired. Almost all is shaped by experience, whether over many years, like learning how to think or speak or reason, over weeks and months, like learning a new sport or developing addiction to drugs or alcohol, or in a split second, like touching a hot stove and learning to never do that again. We call this plasticity. There are many kinds of plasticity, but almost all seem to be implemented by changing the synapses that connect neurons with each other into complex circuits. Our program of 9 independent investigators is working on tracing these circuits and understanding how they process, store, and use this information, and ultimately how we interact with the world around us. We work at every level, from the transfer of information within the circuit to the individual molecules that make up the synapses and how they change during different types of plasticity, to the basic architecture of circuits or the behavior that they drive. This is an exciting time, but the information we are extracting is not just about intellectual curiosity. Every mechanism can and does break, and understanding the key principles for brain functions and the pieces is going to be necessary for treating conditions and diseases that affect almost all of us or our loved ones, such as autism, schizophrenia, Alzheimer's disease, and many others in between. We hope that our discoveries are going to pave the way for treating and hopefully curing some of these diseases that inflict so much suffering on patients, families, and society as a whole.